Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the third problem in exercise 8.4. It has two subsections and the first subsection is like this. Solve sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Here in this problem we have to use both the complementary angles and also as well as identities. See here, this is 63 and the other angle is 27. So 63 and 27 makes a complementary angle here. That is 63 plus 27 is 90 degree. So I'll replace this 63 as 90 minus 27 degree. Right? Similarly, in the denominator 17 degree plus 73 degree is equal to 90 degrees. So this also I can replace this 17 degree as 90 degrees minus 73 degree, right? So I can solve the problem like this. In place of sine square, in place of 63 degree, I am writing it as 90 minus 27 degree plus given as sine square 27 degree, that I am copying it down, divided by the denominator part also I am writing cos square 17 degree, I am writing it as 90 degree minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree, right? So as we know, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Here I can replace in the numerator sine square 90 minus theta form, that goes to cos square theta, that is 27 degree plus sine square 27 degree divided by cos square 90 minus theta is nothing but sine square 90 minus theta, that is sine square theta, sine square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. So the both numerator and denominator are of the forms cos square theta plus sine square theta or sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but 1. So you can mention the formula here. Since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, both the numerator and denominator are of the same form. So you can write it as 1. So the answer for this problem is 1. This is the second subsection from problem number 3, exercise 8.4. Problem goes like this. Sine 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sine 65 degree is equal to how much, right? So here the given two angles are 25 degree and 65 degree, right? So if we observe, these two angles are complementary angles, that is 25 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 90 degree. So you just replace either of the angle such that full equation comes into the same angle. Here I am replacing this 65 degree as 90 degree minus 25 degree. Check out here. Sine 25 degree cos, in place of 65 I will write it as 90 degree minus 25 degree plus cos 25 degree, and in place of sine 65 I will write it as 90 degree minus 25 degree, right? So here it is sine 25 degree and this is of the form cos 90 minus theta, which is nothing but sine theta, right? So that you can write it as cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So that is sine 25 degree plus cos 25 degree. Check out now, this is of the form sine 90 minus theta, which is nothing but cos theta. So here you have sine 90 minus 25 degree. So that we can write it as cos 25 degree. So here we have sine 25 and sine 25, means sine square 25 degree. Similarly, the second term goes to cos square 25 degree. So this is of the form sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but 1. Write down the formula here. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we are writing this as 1. So the answer for this problem is 1. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.